It was mostly sunny. The temperature was 80.
Alert! That's tornado warning! Alert! Here we go! Ah!
Colder with lows in the upper 20s. The following is a tornado watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 68, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 68 has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. From 2 p.m. this afternoon to 2 a.m. Tuesday. Today, a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms this morning.
What the?
This watch includes the following counties.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm
Castle
watch
and
means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
No.
In the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Okay.
Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 71 has been issued until midnight Tuesday for the following counties: Newcastle, Delaware.
They're gonna just package for tonight, because I'm not gonna bother.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 71 has been issued until midnight Tuesday for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties: in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem, and Delaware Bay waters north
But
of
for
East
some
Point,
reason,
New
I'm in
Jersey
this
to Florida
SVO,
Beach,
you know, I know
Delaware.
I'm not gonna get put in any of the alerts.
Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 10:45 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 30 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 11 nautical miles northwest of Mason Neck State Park, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots and waterspouts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessels. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds.
Bro, this is going over the
Waterspouts
tulip
can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Kent Narrows Bridge, North State Park, Magacy River, Eastern Bay, Dobbins Island, Pools Island, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Northeast River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Butler Island, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Hart Miller Island, Gibson Island, and Bodkin Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
WBAL is going off for an alert. What? Are they going off for the SVR? I think they are.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Washington, Anne Arundel County, Baltimore County, Carroll County, Charles County, Frederick County, Howard County, Montgomery County, Prince George County, Arlington County, Fairfax County, Fauquier County, Loudoun County, Prince William County, Stafford County, the city of Alexandria, the city of Fairfax, the city of Falls Church, the city of Manassas, and the city of Manassas Park, effective until 9:18 p.m.
Bro, LWX is not cooking anything up like right now. What are you trying to cook?
Issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay, Patuxent River to Brooms Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island. Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia until 10:45 p.m. At 8:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles northwest of Mason Neck State Park to 28 nautical miles south of Fairview Beach, moving east at 60 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots and waterspouts. Source, radar indicated. At 8:38 p.m., he had reported a wind gust of 57 knots. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessels. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Hooper Island Light, Black Onet Point, Crisfield, St. Inigo's Creek, Southwest Middle Grounds, Cuckold Creek, Ewell, Point No Point. The targets, Richland Point Buoy, Poplar Island, Greenwell State Park, Smith Island, Deep Hole, mouth of the Potomac River, Nanticoke River mouth, Point Lookout, Taylor Sound, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Anne Arundel County, Charles County, Prince George County, and St. Mary County until 9:48 p.m.
Don't do the crappy all Mnet, please. I think if there's any more MFM to relay this, I don't think so.
This is a severe
Oh my
thunderstorm
God, you
warning
did the
for
crappy
the city of
Mnet.
Washington, Anne Arundel County, Baltimore County, Calvert County, Charles County, Harford County, Howard County, Prince George County, and the city of Baltimore, effective until 9:57 p.m.